Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I want to show you how to turn your smartphone into HDMI transmitter. From the screen you could see I have two cameras here, so I want to show you how to get the signal that is coming in from your DSLR camera here, and also the signal that is coming in from the Sony shoulder cam here, or any type of camera you're using down to your smartphone. This will be made possible using the OMNISTREAM application, and the in-depth guide is what I'm going to share with you in today's video. One of the tools we're going to be using in this video is the Ezcap dual cam link here, which is what we're going to use to get the signal from the camera down to our smartphone. I could see here it have the Type-C port on the screen. I'm also going to leave a link of other products you could use in place of the Ezcap dual cam link. And if your phone is not Type-C, you could also get a converter to convert the Type-C as well. If you take a look at the screen here, you can see I have two HDMI ports. This one is the mini HDMI and the normal HDMI, and this particular one is the normal HDMI. We are going to be using this for the two cameras I showed you on the screen. Now this one here is for the DSLR camera, and this particular one here also is for the Sony shoulder cam or any type of camera you are using. For the first test, we're going to be using the DSLR camera here with the cable here. Now the first thing that you're going to do is to go ahead and put your camera. Next thing that you're going to do is to go ahead and open the HDMI port on your camera. This one here, open the HDMI port, and you can see the HDMI port here on the screen. Now pick up that cable and plug one end of it, that is the mini one, to the HDMI port of your camera, and make sure it goes in very well. Plug that in. You can see there. Take the other end of the HDMI and plug it. So just like I said, I'm going to use the first port here. This is it. And once it goes in, you could see here on the screen, it's already blinking red, means the camera is successfully connected to the card, and the card could see and read it as well. The next thing that you're going to do is to go ahead and open the OMNISTREAM application on your smartphone. The next thing you're going to do after you've opened the app on your smartphone is to pick one end of the capture card, that is the Type-C out. See it here on the screen. This is the card. And plug it to your phone charging port. Make sure it goes in very well on your phone. From your smartphone, click on this video icon at the top right there. The video icon you see there, click on it, and then you're going to see camera source, the resolution, and also the codec type. Now click on the camera source on the screen. Click on the camera source. You're going to see the internal back, internal front, and the Omni capture. Remember, we're using the Omni capture, okay? We're going to use the Omni capture for this. Now click on the Omni capture here. You're going to see the card that will just plugged in. That's the Ezcap dual cam link pop up on the screen. Select external adapter UVC camera. Now from here, just click on it, the drop down menu. Go to see 003 and 004. Now the 003 is the first port on the Ezcap dual cam link. That's the first port where the HDMI goes in. That's the 003, and the 004 is the second HDMI port. This will plug the HDMI of the camera on the first one. We're going to select the 003, click on 003 and click on OK. We're going to say allow OMNISTREAM to access Ezcap to cam channel 1. Click on OK, and you can see this is the camera here on the screen. See, this is the camera here. See, as it's moving, use it to cover your church event, your wedding, your football. Because I've also done a video on how you could live stream using the OMNISTREAM application, which I'll drop the link of that particular video in the description of this one. You could see it here on the screen. Just get a phone hanger, hang it on top of your camera, and you could use this to cover any event at all. Now, how do you set the resolution you want? Okay, now for you to be able to set the resolution, all you have to do from the app, click on the video icon at the top right there, click on it, and then go over to resolution beside the camera source. Click on it, and from here you could set the resolution that is supported by your camera. So any resolution that is not supported by your camera, please do not pick that here, because from the screen you could see you have 4K with different FPS, 1920 with different FPS, and also the 720, the 576, and the 480. So they've given you lots of options to pick from, and make sure the particular resolution you're picking, it's supported by your camera, so the synchronization will be perfect. The first thing you're going to do is to go ahead and boot up your camera, or whichever big camera you're currently making use of, because you have HDMI cord here. Now one end of the HDMI goes to your big cam HDMI output, okay? That's it here. One end, it goes into there, goes into that, and you can see it here on the screen. And then take the other end of the HDMI to the Ezcap dual cam link. From here, it has the two HDMI inputs to one of the HDMI inputs here that goes in. It is currently blinking the red light, meaning the camera is successfully connected, and the card could also see it as well. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and take the Type-C output from the card down to your smartphone. And if your phone does not support Type-C, I'll also drop a link of converter you could use to convert the Type-C signal. Now go ahead on your smartphone and open the OMNISTREAM application. Once the OMNISTREAM application is up on your smartphone already, take the Type-C here and plug it to your charging port. Okay, just plug that in and make sure it goes in very well. Once that goes in, the next thing you're going to do is to click on this camera icon at the top right there on the screen. Click on it and then go over to camera source. Click on the camera source. Click on the Omni caption here on the screen. Click on that and you're going to see the Ezcap dual cam link that will plug in pop up on the screen. Say select external adapter UVC camera. Now if you click on the drop down menu, you're going to see 003 and 004. Now the 003 is the first HDMI port on the Ezcap dual cam link, and the 004 is the second HDMI port on the Ezcap dual cam link. Since we plugged in our camera on the first HDMI port, I'm going to select the 003. Now click on the 003, click on OK. I'm going to say allow OMNISTREAM to access. Just click on OK again, and you can see this is the camera signal here on the screen. And so moving the camera is also moving on my phone. See, thinking really well. And you can move this, use this to cover your church live stream, your event, whatever event you're organizing or you want to cover. You can see that on the screen here. Now, if you also want to set the resolution or scale up the resolution, all you have to do is to click on the video icon by the top right there, then go over to resolution beside the camera source and make sure whatever resolution you are setting it on is supported by your camera. Please, if your camera does not support 4K, don't select 4K, please, okay? So select resolution that is supported by your camera. Click on OK. I'm currently using the 720 and 30 FPS. You can see how smooth it is. So you can scale this up, reduce this based on your camera supported resolution. And this is how to turn your smartphone into HDMI transmitter.